Hello travel enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we're heading to a land of stunning landscapes, rich Maori culture, and thrilling adventures. That's right, we're talking about New Zealand. From the breathtaking fjords of Milford Sound to the vibrant city life of Auckland, New Zealand is a paradise for travellers. Join us as we explore the 10 best places to visit in New Zealand. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest travel adventures. Let's get started. 1. Auckland. Our journey begins in Auckland, New Zealand's largest city and a bustling urban hub. Explore the iconic Sky Tower for panoramic views of the city and beyond, and wander along the vibrant Auckland Harbour. Take a ferry to Waiheke Island, known for its beautiful beaches, world-class vineyards, and stunning coastal walks. Auckland's diverse culinary scene and bustling nightlife make it a perfect starting point for your New Zealand adventure. 2. Rotorua. Next up is Rotorua, a city renowned for its geothermal activity and rich Maori culture. Visit the bubbling mud pools and geysers at Wakarewarewa and Te Poia geothermal parks. Experience traditional Maori culture with a cultural performance and a hangi feast. Relax in the natural hot springs at Polynesian Spa and explore the beautiful redwood forest for a unique treetop walk. 3. Taupo. Taupo, located in the heart of the North Island, is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Enjoy the stunning views of Lake Taupo, New Zealand's largest lake, and witness the power of Huka Falls. For adventure seekers, the Tongariro Alpine Crossing offers one of the best day hikes in the world, with dramatic volcanic landscapes and emerald lakes. Taupo is also known for its excellent trout fishing and thrilling water sports. 4. Wellington. Wellington, the capital city of New Zealand, is known for its vibrant art scene and beautiful waterfront. Visit the iconic Beehive, the executive wing of the New Zealand Parliament buildings, and explore Te Papa Museum, which offers fascinating exhibits on New Zealand's history and culture. Stroll along the Wellington waterfront and take the cable car to the Botanic Garden for stunning city views. Wellington's eclectic cafes and craft beer scene add to its charm. 5. Nelson. Nelson, located at the top of the South Island, is a gateway to the stunning Abel Tasman National Park. Enjoy kayaking, hiking, and relaxing on the golden beaches of this coastal paradise. Nelson is also known for its vibrant art scene, with numerous galleries and studios showcasing local talent. The region's excellent vineyards and breweries make it a great destination for food and wine lovers. 6. Christchurch. Christchurch, the largest city on the South Island, is known for its resilience and innovation. Visit the beautiful Christchurch Botanic Gardens and take a punt ride along the Avon River. Explore the city's dynamic street art and innovative architecture, a testament to its recovery from the 2011 earthquake. Don't miss the International Antarctic Centre, where you can learn about Antarctica and experience a simulated polar storm. 7. Queenstown. Queenstown, often referred to as the adventure capital of New Zealand, is a paradise for thrill seekers. Surrounded by the stunning Southern Alps and nestled on the shores of Lake Wakatipu, Queenstown offers activities like bungee jumping, skydiving, and jet boating. For a more relaxed experience, explore the nearby vineyards and enjoy a wine tasting tour. The picturesque town of Arrowtown, with its gold rush history, is also worth a visit. 8. Fiordland National Park. Fiordland National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is home to some of the most breathtaking landscapes in New Zealand. Take a scenic cruise through Milford Sound and Doubtful Sound to witness towering cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and lush rainforests. For hiking enthusiasts, the Kepler Track and Route Burn Track offer incredible alpine scenery. Fiordland's remote beauty and diverse wildlife make it a must-visit destination. 9. Dunedin. Dunedin, known for its Scottish heritage and Victorian architecture, is a charming city on the South Island. Visit the historic Larnach Castle and enjoy the beautiful gardens and stunning views. Explore the wildlife-rich Otago Peninsula, home to rare species like the yellow-eyed penguin and the albatross. The iconic Dunedin railway station, with its ornate architecture, is also a must-see. Dunedin's lively art scene and student culture add to its unique charm. 10. Bay of Islands. Our final destination is the Bay of Islands, a stunning region known for its beautiful beaches and rich history. Explore the charming towns of Paihia and Russell, and take a boat trip to see the famous Hole in the Rock formation. Visit the historic Waitangi Treaty Grounds, where the Treaty of Waitangi was signed between the British Crown and Maori chiefs. The Bay of Islands is also a great place for sailing, fishing, and dolphin watching. And that wraps up our tour of the 10 best places to visit in New Zealand. From the vibrant streets of Auckland to the serene beauty of Fiordland, New Zealand offers an unforgettable adventure for every traveller. Which destination are you most excited to visit? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow travellers, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel guides. Until next time, happy travels!